Let me hold your flip while you do the paint.
I can. No, let's see. Brand on the template. Looks like American Standard,
Okay.
but a different model. July 21st, 3.
Yeah, I can't tell either. What the heck? That was interesting.
Standard. Looks like standard in there.
Okay.
Looks like that might have a date down there. Well,
Yeah,
it's
I
too
can't
deep.
see it. It's really too deep. I don't think it's even a date.
July 21st. There's only 3 there.
Okay.
It's only partially stamped.
Okay.
2003? That's mine. It has to be 2003 because
Probably.
otherwise it's probably 2003.
Yeah, I'm thinking that.
Could be from 1993 too.
Okay.
Then it would be from an old toilet.
All right.
Here we go. What's it look like down there? January 16, 1. Is that it?
I guess so. I just don't have
I can't-
ears.
I can't see anymore.
Yeah, that's all I can see too.
Unusual for the date to be on the bottom. Corky.
Really?
Anti-siphon 528.
Okay.
You know, this template will not fit on. You just have to set it. Oh, you have to set it right on there.
Okay.
It's kind of weird.
Okay. That's fine.
Weird.
Yeah, that's fine.
Is it sitting on there?
Yeah, I'll check.
You can.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay.
It's not meant. This is a mismatched template. See,
Yeah.
that's not the right template.
Okay.
That's it.